Not gonna lie, I'll see you in the bathroom in 5 minutes.
Wait, what?
Turn off these lights.
What? No.
Alright, well, we got our target.
Who?
This guy that just rammed me. Not in a gay way.
That should have been the first thing you said.
Did you find your safe, sir?
Ethan?
Yeah.
What the hell did you put in chat?
Nothing.
What do you mean you didn't put nothing in chat? I'm looking at it!
Not. That's for not saving me. You shot that praying mantis guy like 2 seconds late. I didn't appreciate it.
I wasn't even
That's
near
what's
you.
not saving me.
I wasn't
The guy that you shot was literally 2 feet in front of you, and you shot him right after I died.
I just want to save.
My name DP Babyface Bart. Oh my god, you gotta touch me.
What?
Huh?
What was this?
I don't exactly know what that's supposed to mean.
He's in our.
Fuck you want, dude? Keep it driving. Dylan. Fuck name for the kid Dylan. Dylan's such an autistic name.
Layla's dating Dylan.
Well, is he autistic?
Just
Point proven.
close enough to where you couldn't tell the difference. No!
Dude, once again, you're just hitting the concrete. You're not even hitting anyone.
I like how I just switched between targets. I punched this guy, I punched this woman.
Did he get ran over? Cruise missile.
You know, stop throwing smoke, dude.
I have thermal.
Scopes.
So do I.
So do they.
So do
I
I.
don't know.
Then put a thermal scope on.
No.
Yes.
I don't have a thermal scope unlocked yet. And I suck at this game with thermal. I mean, I suck at this game. Yeah.
Did you try shooting me?
Let me say, I almost shot this guy. Now look, I realized it was you.
Quite a while. You're a con. No, you dumbass.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
But you did hit my fucking helicopter and my oppressor.
I didn't get a notification, but I just read some information to it.
Well, you did.
Do I have another thing in here? Can I get thermal?
No, not after that bullshit.
No!
Gonna destroy my fucking helicopter and my oppressor and ask for thermal. Who does that?
Me? Did I have thermal?
It's like a
Just
murder,
like,
just
yeah,
murdering your
sure,
entire
man.
family. Like, hey, yo, can I borrow $5 by the way?
It's like, yo, can I wash my clothes while I'm here? Like, I got this, you know, ketchup all over it. Dude, please. Dude, don't start anything up. I have to go feed this guy to an alligator.
Huh.
Oh, I'm in serious trouble, huh? I'm not the one that's tied up about to get fed to an alligator!
Pat. Aren't you an adorable little doggy? You would look good in my fridge. Who the fuck's horse is that? Oh, that's yours. Why the fuck they just bust out the barn like that?
Wait, he was in the barn?
Yeah, he just busted out of here like it was nothing.
Beep beep, mother! What was that?
I like what Alex wrote in the story. No one wants to see you crying, just saying.
Randomly love like he just randomly just decides that I'm gonna put these quotes here today.
But the one that I really agree with is the one about high. Has like, oh, no one cares that you're getting high or whatever.
Yeah. And no one cares that you're smoking. 'Cause
Yeah.
I have like 3 friends that'll just like post that all the time.
And I'm not one of them.
Not wrong.
Oh, that's that. You look epic on that. You look like you're. Oh, now you just look stupid.
I don't appreciate the attitude.
Does that mean the same that? A train do be passing.
I'm gonna run into that train that we be passing.
I'm not gonna be running to that train that do be passing because I'm not a fucking idiot.
I do be about to die by this train. And so do be I'm back! So do be the bounty target.
Oh my gosh!